Hi, my name is Micah Villapunar, 12 years old.
Hi, my name is Elia Ortega, 12 years old. Hi, my name is Mariana Makila, I'm 11 years old.
So this month, Sir Kokonim give you a allowance. 200 each of you. One, two, 200 pesos. 1, 2, 200 pesos. 1, 2, 200 pesos. So, thank you. Thank you message. Thank you
Thank you
For
helping us
for helping us
when
when
we needed
we needed
at most.
most.
Thanks for the allowance
Thanks for allowance
for
for
believing in us.
believing us.
Thank you
Thank you
for supporting us
supporting us
every step
every step
of
of
the way.
the way. The way. Thank you, Sir Kokonem. Boyong Sanem, thank you, kamsamida. Boyong Sanem, thank you, kamsamida.